I was just tinkering on the piano,
Mhm.
wanting to get over one extra assignment because I still had other assignments to accomplish that day. So after 30 minutes, music was done. Salamat. Magmerienda muna ako and then mamaya na yung math assignment.
Mhm.
And the next day, the four of us performed our respective versions. And I
Mhm.
still remember the version of Rod Tanchanko, who is now a doctor in Baltimore. And his version went this way, no? Hindi kita malilimutan, hindi kita pababayaan, nakaukit magpakailanman sa aking palad ang iyong pangalan. Buti na lang hindi napili yung version niya. Otherwise, we would be singing that sa patay, no? In the cemetery.
Uh-huh.
So, the class chose my version and we're familiar with the melody. Hindi kita malilimutan,